Y'all look at what my sister got me, a recovery package. Yeah, it's like, oh shoot, oops, sorry. It's like candles, all the stuff. How cute is this? It got Twizzlers, my favorite bad candy. Is this a robe or pajamas? Okay, I got my favorite color robe. I got a card. I got hot chips because I like hot chips, even though it's not good for you. He got candles. Let me see, what else is this? Oh, this is cute. It says relax. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, my sister is creative because I was not expecting this, y'all. I'm having a shitty time. Like Luigi be saying, I'm not having the best time. But this was cute. This was so cute. And you got Ali over there in the back. Oh, I'm so excited. And she got Popeyes. But yeah, guys, this is day 2. And today was not the best day. So, yeah, I've been trying to shit.
See how I only got one? I was trying to keep it.
You got my little basket.
I'm like, Luigi, don't.
How cute is that? Anyways, I'm gonna eat.
Crazy.
And I've been laying in this bed all day.
Who opened the thing in the coffee?
Anyways, y'all.
Okay. Oh my
gosh, y'all. My hair is a mess. But anyways, y'all. So I'm whispering, you guys, because it's currently, I think it's like 4:30 in the morning, y'all. And I don't want to speak too loud because I don't want to wake up everybody. But y'all, it's 4:30 in the morning. I had my procedure/surgery. Let me see, when did I have it? On Tuesday. Today's Thursday morning. Y'all, the last 2 days, man, oh my God, like, oh gosh, y'all, it's been rough, to say the least. Yeah, like, I'm now walking a little bit better now, a little straighter now, because I was like this walking. But yeah, you guys, like, yeah, so I've been up since 3 o'clock, y'all. Like, I went to sleep at like probably like 1:30. I'll get up at 3 with like this pain in my chest. But I know it's gas because every time I like turn around or I get up and walk around, I'm like burping and passing gas. So I know it's gas. So I just made me some tea. Finally, I wanted to see if it was gonna go away on its own, but it's still there. And it's so uncomfortable, y'all. I'm so uncomfortable. Like, that's probably one of the number one things. I'm so uncomfortable sitting down, laying down, standing up. I'm just so uncomfortable, y'all. But I left my camera. I'm actually at my mom's house. I've been at my mom's house since the day of the procedure, because I have stairs at my apartment and I wasn't able to go up the stairs. So, and my mom's house was closer anyway, so I just came to my mom's house. So I've been at their house for the last 2 days. I'm hoping I can go home today. I feel a little like cause I got the procedure like in my groin area, so they're very tender. I wasn't sure if I wanted to share this, but I might share this. I might not. I don't know. I'm just recording because I'm up by myself and I'm bored and I don't know what to do. So I'm so uncomfortable. But yeah, it's just such a weird feeling. Like, I can't even lay down because it's just right there in my chest. Anyways, I'm about to drink my tea. And hopefully it can go away because I haven't got any sleep tonight. Last night I slept pretty well last night, but tonight, yeah, yesterday, I know you guys probably seen it, but I was having a rough day yesterday. So my sister got me like this little kid basket casket. It was so cute. I almost cried. Well, I did cry, but it actually had this what you call it, this robe, because I wasn't expecting this to stay at my mom's. I thought I was gonna stay at the hospital for a night and then go home the next day, but because I have stairs and I can't go up the stairs, so I had to come to my mom's house. So I didn't really have a lot of stuff. So she got me this robe, and it's so nice. It's so soft and it's so warm too, because it's warm here. It is cold. It's a little cooler than usual. But yeah, guys, I'm about to drink my tea because my chest is just like so uncomfortable. Yeah, you guys, I've been going through it the last couple of days. I am trying to stay positive. So, but yeah, I guess I'll keep you guys updated. I didn't like y'all the last 2 days. I didn't want to talk to nobody. I didn't talk to nobody. My mother-in-law called me. My grandma called me. Everybody called me, but I just don't feel like talking to nobody. So, yeah. Hopefully I get to go home today. If I'm gonna see how I feel today. If I feel a little bit better, I might go home today, because I just don't want to go home and be by myself, because my husband works during the day, which means I'll be home by myself. And if I need somebody to help me with something, I won't be able to find it here. My sister's home, my mom's home. Well, not the whole day, but like most of the day they're home, so they can help me out and stuff. So, but anyway, so I'm out of breath, so I gotta go. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, what's up? You guys, I look how I feel. I know I look crazy. I feel crazy. But anyways, you guys, today is Saturday. It's been a rough couple of days. When rough is an understatement, y'all. Like, this has been the craziest few days of my life. The most painful and hardest days of my life, y'all. Anyways, you guys, so right now we're gonna go to my in-laws house, because my husband got to drop off some stuff. Shout out to my in-laws, y'all, because she came through with the food. She came through with the food, y'all, because good thing we lived close to his mother, well, his parents, and they have been coming in clutch with the food, because y'all. But anyways, you guys, we're about to go to their house. I'm still in my pajamas, but honestly, guys, I don't care. I'm staying in the car anyways. Yeah, it's been such a hard time, you guys. It's hard for me to walk. I'm not walking straight yet. Everything hurts. It's just been a hard couple of days, you guys. Yesterday I got absolutely no sleep whatsoever. No sleep whatsoever, you guys. Like, I had like this really bad chest pain. I still have it. It's not as bad anymore, but it's like very painful. Like every time I breathe in, I mean, it's just there all the time. Hold on, y'all. My husband's talking. You guys, I gotta go downstairs, and it's hard. I hate these glasses so much. The glasses, it makes my head hurt. I can't wait till I change it. I'm trying to go do my yearly thing next month. Hopefully I'm able to do it, because so I can change my glasses. Cause oh, sorry y'all. And yeah, I've been burping like crazy. All I've been doing is burping and burping. That's how I know it's gas, because I've been burping and passing gas like crazy. I know it's probably TMI, but like I've just been passing gas a lot. But you guys, let me turn this off. But yeah, guys, like it's been such a long few days, right, baby? Even for him, it's been a lot. You know, you guys are probably not gonna see me, but it's okay. I'm just gonna talk to you guys. I wasn't sure if I was gonna vlog, but I'm kind of bored, you guys. Like, I have absolutely nothing to do. I can't do much, and staying in bed all the time in pain is not fun either. So it's like, it's not much I can do, and there's not that much that, you know, keep me entertained. I don't want to watch, even though I can watch my shows and stuff like that, I kind of just, I'm not in the mood to watch anything. I'm not in the right spirit, so I gotta put on my glasses because I can't see. I mean, I can see, but it's just not clear. But yeah, guys, so it's been, let me see, it's, I did the procedure on Tuesday. It's Saturday. Huh?
5 days.
It's been 5 days. Really? Let me see. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's 4 days, baby. Tomorrow will be 5 days. But I don't know. It's like I was hoping as the days go by, it was gonna get, things was gonna get a little bit better.
That's 5 days.
I know, babe.
Tuesday.
But yeah, you guys. Yeah, it's just not much to do and not much to get my mind off. Like, y'all, last night I just could not sleep. Tell him, babe. How was it last night? Crazy? Why you say crazy?
Because you're not feeling too good.
Yeah, it was bad. Like, I was like, he was actually sleeping, but I could not sleep, and I was like waking him up like every few hours. Yeah, it was bad. Like, last night was really, really bad. Today is a little bit better. He made me some tea this morning. Right, like around what 6 o'clock, maybe? Like 5? No, like 5. And then I think I finally fell asleep around 6 o'clock, you guys, with like all these pillows behind me. I don't know. Like, I can still feel like the pain in my chest, but I'm hoping that it goes away soon, because I know it's only been 5 days, but I just thought, I don't know, because they did say recovery was just a few days. But I guess, of course, you know, recovery for everybody is not the same. It's not the same amount of days, you know. It can be weeks, I guess, sometimes too. So, but anyways, yeah, I've just been laying around all day. Well, actually, today I just slept. I slept till 12 o'clock. I woke up. My mother-in-law got me some bouillon. If you're Haitian, you know bouillon is a soup. I drink some soup. That thing was good. It was good, and it made me feel. It was filling, you know, because after I drank, not drank, but after I ate it, I was passing gas too. But I don't. It's so weird. It's like I'm eating, but it's like I don't know why I'm passing so much gas. So after we go and drop off the thing, I want some canes. I'm not hungry, but right now I feel like all I can do is just eat. I feel like that's all I can do. So I'm gonna eat, y'all. It's not really focusing. I mean, you guys can't see me anyways. I'm just talking. So we're gonna get some canes and to make me feel better. I'll probably just eat a little bit and just eat the rest for tomorrow for lunch. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do, because I'm not really hungry, but yeah. Anyways, y'all, I think when I'm like a little bit better or something like that, I might do like a more sit down video talking about like exactly what happened, what's going on, what procedure I got, and all that stuff. I think when I'm better and when I'm in a better space to talk about it, because right now I'm still like, I still don't like talking about it. I still don't like telling people about it because it's just still a lot, you know. So I think like once I'm better, in a better space, and I'm healed, or you know, in a better, you know, space, I'll probably like speak on it a little bit, because I remember like I was searching a lot, you know, about that my specific condition, and I could not find any videos on adults. Like, it was a lot of like babies and stuff like that, but none on like adults. And I'm like, and I know a lot of adults go through this or is going through this too, and it's like, dang, that sucks, you know, like, because there's not as much research on adults, just babies or kids and stuff like that. So I definitely might do a video on that, just share my experience and stuff. Yeah, yeah. No, that's all.
What's the name?
Chyna. Alright, thanks. I'll show you guys what I got from Cane's. Already took a bite. Well, 2 bites. I got the 4-piece, and then I got some fries, and then I'm gonna eat it with the sauce. And I got a what's the drink? I got a drink, but it's cold, and I'm not trying to drink cold drink right now. Yeah, the stairs hurt so bad, like my whole leg right now, especially the area I had the procedure done. It's hurting right now, really bad. But anyways, I'm gonna eat some of the food and then leave the rest for tomorrow. And I'm tired, but I'm not sleepy. I'm gonna make some tea because you guys, yesterday, well, this morning, well, yesterday because it's already past 12. If it wasn't for the tea that my husband made me, I would not be able to sleep, y'all. Like, because I remember right after I drink the tea, man, I nailed my head a little bit and I was knocked out. So I'm hoping again tonight it helps me. It helps relieve all the pain and all the gas and all that stuff that's in my chest and stuff. So this is Cane's. What do you think, Cane? Real good. I love their bread. So good. But anyway, y'all, that's probably gonna be it. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Again, I'm just going to flow. I'm going based on how I feel. If I don't feel good, I just stay in bed, really. Today wasn't too bad. I did a little bit more today, but for the most part, I was in bed. Anyways, guys, after this, I'm probably gonna watch a movie or something. We watched a Christmas movie already, but I'll probably watch another movie until we fall asleep. I know he's gonna fall asleep right there, right there and then, because he falls asleep really fast, y'all. It's crazy. Like, we can start a movie right now, in like a minute, he's knocked out. That's how bad it is with him. And I end up watching on the movie, or I end up just not watching it. So I'll be like, you told me you was gonna watch a movie with me and you already fell asleep. So if I'm gonna watch a movie, then I'm praying I'll be able to sleep tonight. But anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. You guys have a great night.